Have you ever done a load of washing and thought to yourself, how does laundry detergent really work? There are so many options available to us these days that it can be confusing to know what to buy, especially when there are so many claims being made, such as stronger removal of stains, superior protection of white clothes, and fabulous fragrances. No, for real, this stuff smells amazing. In reality, there is a common objective of all detergents. Their main use is to separate dirt and oil away from the clothes, and keep it away long enough for the water to carry it away. But how does it do that? Or better, if we put on our scientific thinking hats, what happens on a molecular scale? The main chemical in all laundry detergents are called surfactants, or surface active agents. Surfactants serve to take particles of dirt out of the clothing, surround them so that they cannot become lodged among the clothing fibers again, and suspend them in the water so that they can be carried away. Let's use the Fab laundry powder as an example. The ingredient list is fairly small, as you can see. The surfactant or surface active agent that is listed here is sodium tridecylbenzene sulfonate. This is what its molecular structure looks like. It has a hydrophilic or water-loving head on the right and a lipophilic or oil-loving tail on the left. This molecule serves to bind the water and dirt together so that they can be carried away from the materials of your clothing. As seen in the list of ingredients, there are more things than just this surfactant included in the powder. But what purpose do they serve? The chemical that is highest in concentration, sodium carbonate, is a builder used to soften the water that is used in the washing process. This means that it binds to the materials found in the water, so that the surfactants are free to be suspended in the now softened water. Next, sodium sulfate. The ingredient is used as a filler so that the concentration of the active ingredient, the surfactant, can be reduced. Mainly this is to reduce costs. Zeolite is the first ingredient on the list that is lower in concentration than the surfactant. It is another species of builder that serves the same purpose as the sodium carbonate. However, it is a porous and more complex molecule and is therefore more effective at binding minerals. Sodium silicate is another builder. Sodium anionic terpolymer is next. The name represents a species of water-soluble polymers that prevents the redeposition of detergent and dirt particles during the washing process. This is pretty important, as once the surfactant gets the dirt out of your clothes, you don't want it going back on there. The fluorescent brightener seems pretty self-explanatory. It brightens the clothing so that the whites seem whiter and the coloured clothing seems more vibrant. The final two ingredients, enzymes and fragrance, are fairly vague, but upon further research, the enzymes are broken into two groups, lipases and proteases. Lipases serve to break down the oils and fats found in the dirt on clothing, and proteases serve to break down the protein chains. The fragrances used in Fab laundry detergent could not be found on their website. In summary, there are a lot of ingredients in laundry detergent that come together to make our clothes clean. The surfactants remove the dirt from the clothes. The builders bind up materials in hard water. The polymer holds the dirt away from the material to prevent redeposition. The brightener brightens. The enzymes break down the dirt. And the fragrance keeps things smelling nice. So the bottom line is, whenever you feel like taking the credit for washing your clothes, don't, because it was these guys that did all the work.